How to insert a video in Google Docs. You can't play videos directly inside a Google Doc, but you can insert a clickable thumbnail or link to a YouTube or Google Drive video. So let's get started. First of all, here as you can see, I have inserted some text. Then tap on the insert option available at the top left corner of your screen at the tabs option. Once you tap on the insert, scroll down unless you see link option available there and simply tap on the link. Now name your video whatever you want to keep it as. I'm simply keeping it as a video, just a normal video. Then paste your link. Here I'm pasting my YouTube link. Copy the link from the YouTube. Then go back to the Google Docs and paste it in the field available there. Then tap on the done or save. So as you can see, my video is from the link I have uploaded from the YouTube video. Now simply type down the click here option available there. So here I have typed down the click here, and in order to make this more visually appealing, let's simply go to the YouTube video, and here all you have to do is take a screenshot of this video. And once you take the screenshot, let's simply go back to the Google Docs again and drag it to the Google Docs. And so that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.